Hello guys, what's up? What's up guys? What's up? What's up? And how are you today? And for today's video, I'll show you how to install Photoshop. And not actually, I will not show you. This is just a Adobe Photoshop version 2020, and it's a pre-activated link on how to install it. Just follow the link. Check out the description box. We'll check if this Adobe Photoshop is working fine and it's good. It's a standalone installer. The file that's in the link is just a Photoshop inside. All you have to do is extract the file and then input the password. The password is 123. So you better watch and listen to this video guys so that you'll know the password. Since you're here for the installer, then you can now proceed onto the description box and copy the link and then paste it on your browser. After you paste it, remove some spaces in order to make the link work, because if you will just copy and paste it directly, it will not give you the exact link and it will not show the download button. So, and this version is pre-activated guys, you don't have to buy a license, so just be careful in making it used, because YouTube will might delete it. Usually in my depress installation, it was deleted by YouTube since it's illegal. So that's all. Since you already know how to use this Photoshop, and then proceed to the download link. um, thank you, thank you for your support guys. And if you want to buy the Adobe Acrobat Master Collection, just go to their official website, Adobe Master Collection, and you can find the legit a master collection of the Adobes. And that's all guys. Thank you for your support.